Now, question number 6 is, there is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in Mohali village. The length and breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11:4. At the rate rupees 100 per meter, it will be cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. What are the dimensions of the plot? In this question, we are given that a narrow rectangular plot is reserved for Mohali village. Here we are given length and breadth are in the ratio, and the cost of plot at the rate of rupees 100 per meter will be rupees 75,000. What are the dimensions of the plot? We have to find the dimensions of the plot. So this is your rectangular narrow plot. So first let the length of rectangular plot equals to 11x and width of rectangular plot equals to 4x. When any term, any length, breadth or any age are given in the ratio, first let it with variable x. Also, when two costs are given, then we have to divide bigger cost by smaller cost. Here, so fencing all around, we are given two cost 75,000 divided by 100, and perimeter of rectangular plot we have 2 times length plus breadth. 0 to 0 cancel, 0 to 0 cancel. Here we get the fencing all around, means we get the perimeter 750. 2 times length we will get 11x and breadth is 4x. 750, 2 as it is, 11x plus 4x, we get the answer 50x. 750 equals to 15 2s are 2, multiply 15x equals to 30x. So 750 equals to 30x. Now apply transpose method. Divide both side by 30. 750 divided by 30, 30x divided by 30. 0 to 0 cancel. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Here we get the answer 25. 30 1s are 30. So the value of variable x we have 25. So length of plot equals to 11x. 11 multiply 25. Width of plot equals to 4x. 4 multiply 25. So 11 multiply 25, we get the answer 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. So answer is 275. So length of the plot we get 275 and breadth we get 100. 25 4s are 100. In this question we have to find the length and breadth of the rectangular plot, and we are given the two cost to fence the plot. Fence the plot means we have to find the perimeter. So for this two cost, what we have to do, first divided the bigger cost by the smaller cost and then find the perimeter. And we also know that to find the perimeter of rectangle, the formula is 2 times length plus breadth. So put the value of length and breadth in the formula and find the perimeter with the help of two cost. Now apply the transpose method. So answer we will get 11 multiply 25 equals to 275 and width of the plot is 100. Now 7th question is, Hassan buys two kinds of cloth materials for school uniform. Shirt material cost him rupees 50 per meter and trouser material cost him rupees 90 per meter. Hassan is a student. He buy two cloth material for school uniform, one for shirt material and another for trouser material. So cost for shirt material is rupees 50 per meter and trouser material is rupees 90 per meter. Also for every 3 meters of the shirt material he buys 2 meter of the trouser material. हर एक 3 मीटर शर्ट मटेरियल के ऊपर वो 2 मीटर ट्राउजर मटेरियल परचेज करता है. He sells the material at 12% and 10% profit respectively. जब वो शर्ट एंड ट्राउजर मटेरियल को सेल करता है, सोल्ड करता है, तो उसे शर्ट पर 12% प्रॉफिट होता है एंड ट्राउजर पर 10% प्रॉफिट. His total sale is rupees 36,600 how much trouser material did he buy? We have to find the total trouser material he bought when his total sale is 36,600. As we are given the ratio, for every 3 meters of shirt material he buys 2 meters of the trouser material. So this is the ratio of shirt material to the trouser material, 3:2. So first let the shirt material bought equals to, let the shirt material bought equals to 3x and trouser material equals to 2x. So cost of shirt material is 3x multiply rupees 50. Answer is 150x. And cost of trouser material is 2x multiply rupees 90 equals to 180x. Now cost price of shirt material and trouser material we are finding. Next we have to find the selling price of shirt material. Here the profit on shirt material is 12%. So selling price of shirt material with profit 12%. So the formula for finding the selling price is 100 plus profit percent divided by 100 multiply cost price. So 100 plus 12 divided by 100. Here the cost price for shirt material we will get 150x. So answer is 112 divided by 100 multiply 150x. 0 to 0 cancel. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. So 56 multiplied by 3 we will get 6 3s are 18, 3 5s are 15 and 1 16. Answer is 168x. Similarly we will find the selling price for trouser material. Same formula, 100 plus profit percent by 100 multiply cost price. So here profit is with profit 10%. So 100 plus 10 divided by 100 multiply cost price for trouser material is 180x. So we will get 110 divided by 100 multiply 180x. 0 0 cancel. 2 5s are 10, 2 9s are 80, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10. Now do multiplication of 22 with 9. 9 2s are 18, 1 carry, 9 2s are 18 and 1 19. Here the answer is 198x. Now total sale is rupees 36,600. So selling price of shirt material plus selling price of trouser material equals to 36,600. Now selling price of shirt material we have 168x. Selling price of trouser material 198x equals to 36,600. Now do addition. We get 9 and 8 16, 9 and 6 15, 15 and 1 16. Here 1 2 3, 366x equals to 36,600. Now apply transpose method. Divide both side by 366. Now 366 divided by 366x equals to 36,600 divided by 366. 366 ones are 366. 366 ones are 366. So the value of x is 100. Now trouser material cost of, so trouser material equals to 2x, put the value of variable x, 2 multiply 100 equals to 200. Now 8th question is, half of herd of deer are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. Half of herd means half of deer, herd means group, are grazing in the field means in a group of deer half are grazing in the field and 3/4 are playing nearby, and the rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. We have to find the number of deer in the herd. We have to find the number of deer in the group. Herd means group of deer. So first we let the total number of deer equals to x, and according to question we are given that half of deer are grazing in the field. So x multiply half, it becomes x by 2, and remaining deers are playing nearby. So 3/4, remaining means 3/4 deer remaining playing nearby. 3/4 multiply x by 2. So how we find the remaining deer playing nearby? By multiplication with 3/4 and x by 2. We get the answer 3x by 8. Deer drinking water from the pond is 9. 9 deers are drinking water from the pond. So we have to find the total number of deers. So add x by 2 plus 3x by 8 plus 9 equals to total number of deers. Now take the LCM. LCM of 2 and 8. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, again 2 ones are 2. So the LCM we get is 8. Write down next as it is. In table of 2, 8 comes on 4. X multiply by 4. 3x as it is. In table of 8, 8 comes at 1. 8 ones are 8. Plus 9 as it is. In table of 1, 8 comes at 8. 9 multiply 8 equals to x as it is. Now it becomes 4x plus 3x. 9 8s are 72 by 8 equals to x. Now add 4x plus 3x, it becomes 7x plus 72 by 8 as it is equals to x. Now multiply, apply transpose method, multiply both sides by 8. 7x plus 72 by 8 multiply 8 equals to x multiply 8. 8 ones are 8. 7x plus 72 as it is. X multiply 8, it becomes 8x. Now again apply transpose method. Now again apply transpose method. Subtract 7x both sides. 7x plus 72 minus 7x equals to 8x minus 7x. 7x minus 7x, it becomes 0 plus 72. 8x minus 7x, answer we will get 1x. So 72 equals to 1x are the total number of deers. So answer is 72 equals to 1 multiply x, we get x. So total number of deer in the group is 72. Now question number 9 is, a grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 54 years older than her. Find their present ages. In this question we are given that a grandfather is 10 times older than her granddaughter and he is also 54 years older than him. We have to find the present ages of grandfather and granddaughter. Now for this, let the present age of granddaughter equals to x. And the present age of grandfather becomes, as according to question, grandfather is 10 times older than granddaughter. So 10 multiply x equals to 10x. Now it is given that grandfather is 54 years older than the granddaughter. So our equation becomes age of granddaughter is x plus 54 equals to grandfather's age. Grandfather age is 10x, as grandfather is 54 years older than granddaughter. Is it clear? Now apply transpose method. Subtract x both sides. X plus 54 minus 6 equals to 10x minus x. Plus x minus x, it becomes 0. 0 plus 54, 10x minus x, here write down 1, 9x. So 0 plus 54, 54 equals to 9x. Then divide both sides by 9. 54 divided by 9 equals to 9x divided by 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 6 are 54, 9 ones are 9. So the answer is x equals to 6. So granddaughter age equals to x equals to 6, and grandfather age 10 times of her granddaughter's age, 10 multiply x equals to 10 multiply 6. Answer is 60. Now next 10th question is, Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. 10 years ago he was 5 times his son's age. Find their present ages. In this question we are given that Aman's age is 3 times of his son's age, and 10 years ago Aman's age is 5 times the age of his son. We have to find their present ages. Now let son's age equals to x, as Aman's present age is 3 times that of his son's age. So 3 times of son age, 3 multiply x equals to 3x. Now 10 years ago son's age become x minus 10 and Aman's age become 3x minus 10. As according to question we are given that Aman's age is 5 times that of his son's age 10 years ago. So 5 times of his son's age equals to Aman's age 10 years ago. Now start, open the bracket. First do multiplication of 5 with x. 5 multiply x minus sign as it is. 5 multiply 10 equals to 3x minus 10 as it is. Here is 5x minus 50 equals to 3x minus 10. Now apply transpose method. Subtract 3x both sides. 5x minus 50 minus 3x equals to 3x minus 10 minus 3x. 5x minus 3x we will get answer 2x minus 50 equals to 3x minus 3x. Answer is 0 minus 10. Now we are given that 2x minus 50 equals to 0 minus 10. Here 2x minus 50, 0 minus 10, we will get minus 10. Again apply transpose method, add 50 both sides. Now minus 50 plus 50 we will get 0, minus 10 plus 50 we will get answer 40. So 2x plus 0, 2x equals to 40. Again apply transpose method, divide both side by 2. So 2x divided by 2, 40 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, x as it is, 2 ones are 2, 2 tens are 20. Again son, so son's age equals to x equals to 20 and Aman's age is 3 times of his son's age. 3 multiply 20 equals to 60.